Hello friends, we are glad to welcome you to our channel. Today we present to you a stylish pixie bob haircut. Please watch the video to the end and maybe you will find a hairstyle for yourself. Pixie bob haircut is a women's short haircut whose length ranges between a pixie and a bob. For those edgy gals who don't mind a crop, this modish cut should be a definite go. Though short, you'll be surprised how versatile this hairstyle is. It can go from one length to angled, choppy and shaggy to sleek, with a full front fringe or lovely side bangs, or matched with a chic fashion color. Ladies with the best pixies on television and who are for the cropped hair movement include Emilia Clarke, Zendaya, Mia Farrow, and Shailene Woodley. But all thanks go to the Og pixie bob queen, Audrey Hepburn, who rocked the look with her natural locks. Another good news is that with short hair comes less maintenance. Although if you fall too deep in love with the look, a trim visit is due monthly to keep the length at bay. Still having second thoughts? Make that hesitation go away when you take a look at these up-to-date examples of pixie bob haircut ideas below. What is a pixie bob haircut? A pixie bob is a short hairstyle that combines elements of a classic bob haircut and short pixie haircut. It's essentially a longer, or grown-out, pixie cut that has a bob-like shape. Pixie bobs are typically shorter on the back with a longer top and bangs, creating the shape of a very short bob. They may or may not feature short sides like most pixie cuts do. Pixie bob haircuts do vary in length and can be anywhere from above the ear level to chin length. You'll see a longer top with a shorter back in these cuts. Bangs are very common with this cut as the front is brushed forward or over to the side. The pixie bob haircut has more versatility than you think. We found 40 examples of pixie-style bobs for different hair types, lengths, and textures. Check them out below. Swooped side bangs. Soften up a pixie cut, bob with swooped side bangs that casually fall across the cheekbone. The key to creating this style is blow-drying your bangs in the opposite direction you want them to fall. Tinkerbell-inspired bob. Like Tinkerbell says, all you need is a little faith, trust, and pixie dust, maybe a little mousse and pomade, to make this fairytale haircut happen. This would be flattering on any face shape, but it works best for straight or slightly wavy hair. Mushroom stacked pixie. Channel your inner forest pixie with this mushroom style cut. It's longer on top with ultra short layers on the sides. The layers stack to create more volume up top, which is perfect for square, oval, and round faces. Inverted pixie bob. Inverted bobs angle forward toward the face. This pixie version features that same angle but with a much shorter overall cut. Wispy face framing layers and bangs. Wispy layers around the face flatter the cheekbones and jawline while choppy, short curtain bangs open up the eyes. This cut is shorter in the back and on the sides. Relaxed long pixie. Pixie bobs are basically long pixie cuts, and they are one of our favorite hairstyles for short, relaxed hair. This cut is easy to style to get you out the door faster in the mornings. Ash blonde long top pixie. Cool-toned ash blonde really highlights the shape and layering in this pixie with a much longer top. Leave the top layer of hair around ear length and wear a deep side part to steal this look. Shaved side with deep side part. This long version of the pixie cut is made for flipping your hair over to one side. One side is shaved short, giving this cut an edgy effect. You can part your hair differently to cover the shaved side when needed. Asymmetrical layered pixie. Have a little fun with your pixie by combining it with a slightly asymmetrical bob. Keep one side longer and style however you'd like. Here, the woman's shiny, relaxed hair is perfect to show off the layered texture of the cut. Pixie graduated bob. This sassy take on a high-volume graduated bob is perfect for women who want to boost volume and shape at the crown. Graduated layers keep this pixie-length bob perfectly shaped. Friends, thank you for watching the video to the end. Subscribe to our channel, like and ring the bell. Thank you.